Hi everybody, welcome back in this new episode. That's the second episode. Thomas has bring some tools because today we're gonna be adding this. So this one, side indicators. That for low on the Italian streets we have to put it. Because if not we cannot have a license plate. So we're gonna drill a hole here, bring the wire there, and fortunately this comes with a plug that fits right on the original. The front side left indicator in this case, and for the other one is the same. It's a small plug that fits right on the original one. So what we have to do, we have to drill the holes, but question is where? I have mine Mercedes W124. We're gonna use that for taking a template. We're gonna see how to do it. For this work we're gonna use two simple tools that are this paper tape and a marker, and we're gonna take a template for putting on this car and drill the holes perfectly. So we're gonna use my Mercedes W124 for making a good template. I know the fender is not the same, but it's similar. So I really hope it will help me to take good measurement. So I will remove these indicators, putting the tape, and make a good template for putting on the other car and drill the holes. No. Krusty Krab. As you can see, these are literally the same indicators. So here's the bulb, and we're gonna take measurement for making this cut. I see that here, if you have to do a similar job, there is something like a little dent in it. So it's not a perfect square, I think, because of this. But we're gonna first make the template and then trim a little bit there on the other car, obviously. So I will take this out. I don't know how to do it with the cable, but we're gonna try it. So that's our horrible template. I think it will work. As you can see, I take approximate measurement with this, so it should be good. There is one way to see, so let's test it out to see if it works. Align this approximately. As you can see, the door on my Mercedes W124 ends here, and here ends there. So there is quite a bit of gap, so yes, it's bigger and different, but the holes should be the same. I'm pretty sure that here it's okay, or maybe slightly more on this side. I'm gonna align it a little bit, and then I'm gonna figure it out how to pass the cable through here, down there, and all the way to the front side indicators. Quick update. After a while, I think like half an hour, we drilled completely the hole. So as you can see, now it fits. The problem is that you have like limited attempt to do, because after you take it on and off for sometimes it kinda bends here, and then it's gonna go to break. So now we're gonna figure it out how to pass the cable. This finally fits completely. Look at it. Okay. We're gonna do the same also on the other side, but first of all, bring the cable from here to the front side indicator. So after a while, Thomas has managed to pass this wire all through the fender up here, and now it's trying to figure it out how to.
Cioè, capito? Io volevo far qua.
Yeah, I know.
Volevo tagliarlo e legarlo al fil di ferro perché sto spinato qua è troppo grosso. Traducilo in inglese.
Thomas is saying that he has a big dick and he also likes sucking big cock. But that's not a problem, because we have to strip completely apart the connector to redo it. Super nice. Thomas was thinking about stripping this apart, but we figured out that we can open this plug. Now, using this wire, we're gonna bring it up all the connectors. Thomas is trying. And here we go. So now we have to re-put all together the plug. That's the situation. Finally, everything is working. We have passed all through the fender. It goes down there in this seal. Here there is the other piece, and then it goes under there. That's how it works. So basically on the original connector, this one, you put that one. It's like a bridge, and then they work simultaneously. Let's remove the tape, fit all clean up. That's the result. I know it's not perfect, but the light will go on and completely cover all this mess. Here we can see a little bit of the old paint, probably has been repainted. Obviously we have done it. Thomas is really tired. He's doing like Akira Nakai moment. He's feeling by cutting this fender. Now it's a complete master in stripping apart cars. Super nice. Maestro. Nice. So they call it the maestro. Yes, that's the result. Compared to this side where there is nothing. Nice. And here we have it, all two installed and completely functioning. It's kind of different color. Hello everybody, 2 days have passed from last clip where we have installed all the side indicators on the Benz. Now it's a rainy Sunday. As you can see, I'm not in a Benz. Usually I don't drive cars like this, but this Peugeot has some problems, so it's for a friend of mine and we have to make it work. We think it's the starter motor, so that's our first idea, but this car also takes a lot of time to turn on. It goes like and then starts, so that's not good. We have to fix also this, we have to fix the Benz, we have to fix the Panda. We have a lot of things to fix. Look at that, this car Peugeot have the glass roof. Look at this luxury. We are going to go to the workshop. We're gonna meet Thomas and do some works and you're gonna see it. Here we are. Last time we have added these side indicators. Thomas is like sleeping, but no problem. I've bought this rust converter, a liter to be sure, because there is a lot of rust. And I've done a few tests here. As you can see, rust has been converted. Look at the difference from there to there. So this works. We're gonna use it on the bottom and then spray painting with this, which has just arrived. Stone chip protection. Super nice. A few parts has arrived. We have this in the right color, not gray anymore. This, which is for the undertray to spray paint on the older rust. Then we have few parts like this, which looks like OEM, but this is not a label, it's printed, so I think it's super fake, but seems original, so we're gonna try right now if it fits. I can tell you that I bought the wrong dimension, but very good, very nice, super nice, brand new. We got the star, look at that. But I think it's this for the S-class model, I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna take some measurement. Test product. Parkside. Here we go. So I think it do not looks the same, but we're gonna try to install it anyway. Other parts. We got this. I choose this because it's not 3D printed. I don't like the style of all the layers of the plastic, so I wanted a product that looks maybe quite similar to the OEM original. So this came, looks pretty good. It's a little bit cheap, but we're gonna put instead of this. And I'm hoping we're gonna cover all this shit up because it's in my side, and while I'm driving I don't want to see my car like dismantling like this, so we're gonna install that, which also look different. Look at the numbers. I like it. So in this episode we're gonna put some little parts like that. We don't have nothing anymore because you know, eBay is fast in shipping, and we are trying to give you a video by week, but it's quite hard, especially if you buy parts and they don't come or they send you the wrong stuff. So let's go with the So let's go and install some parts, trying to install some parts. Looks much newer than the one that are on, but look, we finally got it. It's not easy to find
one of this one and in this color. Look, go from the inside. Hey yo, how is going? Look at the difference. You see? This one is good. This one, I don't know what to do with this. If somebody of you needs this, fuck. Oh, it's there forever, I think. We got a problem. What the fuck? So you can see better. I discovered how to remove this. Here there is a little button. You have to press gently. Like this. Looks like it breaks. It breaks off, but here it comes. This piece of. Here it comes. The brand new ones. Look at that. Pretty good. Nice problem, but super quality. Good. Last time we spray painted this because it was like an entire piece of rust, but now looks good. Just because I don't want to buy it like brand new because it works. I sanded a bit. So next step we are gonna put the star. As you can see, we have to remove it from inside. It's not quite that easy. I'm hoping we don't have to remove the grill because I don't have the... No, I can... No. Quick facts, if you don't know, on the W124 series, they changed this. So to open in vertical, you have to lift down a bit, take this one. I think you have to go with 2 people to do it and then go straight on. And then it should go like straight out in vertical. Look at this. But I figured out now how we're gonna remove the star if it's up there. Thomas, we have to re-put it down. Let's see if we can remove it. Thomas has just figured out how to remove this. So he has like stripped apart completely all this. The new logo is a little bit different, but we think it can fit. I know it's not the right one, but we managed to fit. That's the result. So pretty good actually, but there is a bit of gap there. Maybe in the future I'm gonna buy the right one, but for now it's good. Look at it, beautiful. Thomas is watching this Panda and trying to figure out how to remove all the engine. Now we're gonna put this one. It's folding completely apart. And here we are. That's the brand new air vent cover. Much better. Yes. Everything has been installed. Look at that. Now it's quite aggressive. Look. Super nice. And there is Thomas with his Panda. Super.
Mi parece gli mettiamo il pezzo di silicone per non fargli fare rumore.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and leave a like if you like this video, or a dislike if you don't like it.
If you don't like it, don't even subscribe to my channel. Now guys, today in this video we are going to mount this parkside chair.